Get your task tracker template for Excel or open it in Ezo Tools, the best way to manage your projects. Download our free Project Task Tracker Excel template to help start a to-do list, a task list, or to start managing a project. You'll be able to track your tasks on not just a spreadsheet, but with 5 different project views: Kanban board, Gantt chart, task list, calendar and sheet. Download task management for multiple projects. There are hundreds of task management templates available online, and most of them achieve the same purpose, despite having different names. Our free task tracking template can be used as any of the task management formats below. Project Task List Template, Task Tracker Template, Task Checklist Template, Project Tracking Template, Task Analysis Template. You can't track tasks if their task status is not being updated. Your project team makes task status updates, which keeps you aware of where they are in the project. There are more in-depth task management tools. This Excel template looks at tasks, costs and more to give you a picture of the project as it's progressing. It is often your first defense against scope creep. There's a lot of information on the topic of project and task tracking on the Ezo Tools blog, which posts videos and articles every week. Here are a few of the more recent and relevant articles. Project managers and team leaders working on small to mid-size projects can use pre-built templates to manage their team's tasks more easily. Task management templates provide a starting point that can be used again and again, saving you from having to reinvent the wheel every time you need to create a plan, track task progress, or report status to clients and execs. The free Project Management Task List template allows users to assign a status to each task, sort assignments into multiple categories, and see exactly who's responsible for what.